Welcome back, Elock Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome to my home, garden, and lifestyle channel. If you like what you see, hit that like button. In this video, I'm sharing the best flowers to use in January using the winter sowing method. You may be asking, what is winter sowing? Winter sowing is a simple and successful way of starting seeds outdoors over the winter. Today we'll talk about which flowers are best to use for winter sowing. Also, we'll talk about why it's a good idea to start in January. Sweet alyssum, columbine, echinacea, also known as the coneflower. The bees love it. Popular zinnia. Also petunias, a very popular spring-summer garden flower. Hyssop. There's another petunia. Soothing lavender. Coreopsis. Bachelor button. Milkweed. Yarrow. Gold yarrow. Lupine. Dianthus. Morning glory. Bachelor button is a hardy annual and a magnet for bees. The coreopsis flower produces a beautiful yellow daisy-like flower, excellent for cutting. Lupine is a nitrogen fixer. It converts nitrogen from the air into a form that other plants can use. Lupine is excellent in the garden because it improves soil health. Columbine, easy to grow. Self-sower, continues to spread indefinitely once established. Milkweed, it's the only plant that monarch caterpillars eat. Dianthus is known or regarded as the flower of the gods. Symbolize love, affection, gratitude, and admiration. Start winter sowing when temperatures in your area are consistently cold until springtime. January is a great time to sow your perennial flowers as well as your cold hardy annual flowers. If you are a flower lover like me, get a head start on your flower garden. Try winter sowing. Any flower lovers out there? Start your spring garden in January. Here in Maryland Zone 7B, these are the seeds that I will be winter sowing this year for my spring 2025 garden. These varieties are really great because one, they're cold hardy, meaning they thrive in cooler conditions and can withstand frost. Two, early bloomers. Starting them in January gives you a head start on your spring flowers. Three, think native flowers. What grows naturally or wild in your area? I'm in Maryland, so in my state, some of the state-friendly choices that I think of are black-eyed Susan, which is our state flower, also columbine. Elock Nation, I hope that you guys are keeping warm and safe in your neck of the woods or your region. The things that you'll need for winter sowing are really simple, probably things that you already have around your home. You'll need seeds, duct tape, a Sharpie pen, scissors, potting mix, a milk jug. If you don't have a milk jug, you can most certainly use water jugs, juice bottles, clear plastic bins, and today I'm showing that you can also winter sow using water bottles. All of these things you probably already have around your home. These varieties are really great because one, they're cold hardy, meaning they thrive in cooler conditions and can withstand frost. Here's how you get started. Cut open your jug or water bottle, leaving a hinge at the top so that you can open and close it. Next, create some holes at the bottom for drainage. Pre-moisten some soil. Fill your milk jug or water bottle about halfway up. Plant your seeds. Label it with your Sharpie. Seal your container with duct tape. Set it outside in a sunny location. Your seeds will germinate in the spring once it warms up. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.